everyone! First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Patcharapawn Boonmak. My student ID number is 013. So, last week I learned about phonetic alphabet. Today I'm gonna tell you about consonant sound S and Z. Okay, let's start it. Consonant sound S and Z. Consonant sound which occur near the alveolar ridge, that is, tip of the tongue will move up close to the alveolar ridge but don't touch it. The middle form tongue will look like a groove. The air from the ridge will pass through the groove and pass through the space between the tongue tip and the alveolar ridge. The sound of S and Z are different. The sound of S is voiceless. The sound of Z is voice. Okay, now I'm gonna tell you about the spelling of the sound of the consonant S. C, sail, miss, easy, do's, face. Spelling of the sound of consonant Z. Zoo, zai, jazz, shoes, diesels, zilog. In addition to pronunciations, problem is in the end of the word, and pronunciation Z, which are not Thai language. Most Thai people may be confused about spelling. So, here are examples. The sound of S and Z is different. Okay, let's start it. Hi guys, so today there is people who can speak word that contain S and Z. What's your name?
Joe.
Joe. My name is Bin. Yes, I'm majoring in English at Patcharapawn University.
Very nice. Good for you.
I want to go back to the old days.
Good education.
Okay, let's begin with the first word.
Until 3 years ago, I didn't even know how to
Zip
use a computer.
versus zip.
Zip,
Zip.
zip, and zip.
Right. Zip.
Zip, and
Zip.
Oh,
The only thing
okay.
I will give you the iPhone
Thank you.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
1 year.
Thank you for your help. What's your name?
Rick.
Rick. My name is Bin. Could you speak this to us?
Versus Zoo.
Again,
Sue versus Zoo.
Zoo and Zoo.
Zoo.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.